What is LiveWhois? So in future, if you purchase a website, basically LiveWhois is database of website owner. If you own a website, if you purchase a website, then your email ID will be publicly available on the internet. On the other side, email ID of network administrator or webmaster, those who purchase the website, is freely available on the internet. From where hacker get the website email ID with the help of WHOIS, I will showcase you LiveWhois. So you will have different websites for the same. So I will type my friend website named as IT Chandigarh. From here I came to know a person named as Manoj Diman. He has his personal phone number as this one. At the same time, email ID as this one. If person has not mentioned the email ID on the website, hackers are able to grab network administrator email ID from here, web administrator email ID from here, and your personal email ID while you upload your resume. We are able to easily grab email ID. One example I've showcased you how hackers they are able to grab email ID. So this part is also over, completed. Before showcasing you concept of phishing page, I will showcase you one thing, and that is this topic. This topic is very much beneficial one. This is the main thing, how person is hackable. I'm infecting my main machine just for making this live session successful. Let me showcase you, for example, and that account I'm not using nowadays. I've typed that banking NET. I remember the username 52. This is my account. And it belongs to my firm named as Technology Certified. As I've not used from last many days, so they are imposting fine at my bank account. So my balance is minus right now. So if you will hack it, you will not get anything. If you hack it, kindly transfer some money in my account. So I've typed here. So password, I've already saved in my machine. So if I will copy this password, it will not get captured in the software. But I will type something for you. Pinderbir, can you type something here which you knows anything? He will type wrong, but let me showcase you. If he has typed right password, then also things are captured. He wrote something, my hands, I'm not using my hands. He wrote something and I will press on login. It will not function, but think about the same. Why? Because right now password is invalid. If he could have gave right password. So before opening anything, can you share with me what you typed? Word, speak it loud. Jagmohan. Look at the software, my software, what he typed, Jagmohan. How was that? It is a keylogger. That topic is also over, completed. Now question arises, how to protect ourselves from keylogger? Again question arises, so this software you have installed in your machine. Then you have convinced that guy to use your machine. Remember one thing, you use public computer, library computer, your friend's computer. It can happen with you that time, but still, if you download files with the help of torrent software, those files can come infected with Trojan, and that Trojan can have keylogger. Then what? So, what was the keylogger? While I shared with you my case study, name was Emissary Keylogger. I still remember the name with wrong spelling. So, popular keylogger, but not FUD. So in the past, I've used this Emissary Keylogger. Then again, question arises: what about those keylogger which are FUD, fully undetectable? So let me showcase you fully undetectable keylogger. FUD backdoor, hack key, FUD keylogger, steal any password, other data with these. Videos are available on the internet. What hacker are doing? They are creating FUD keylogger, fully undetectable. My antivirus has checked it, but if you download these type of files, infected files from the internet, like Trojan, those Trojan can have keylogger, which will steal your password. Again, question arises, there is one good topic named as employee monitoring system. This is very much beneficial, and employee monitoring system like ActiveTrack. If you are not aware of the same, then just want to convey you, ActiveTrack is a software. You can easily try it free. Basically, employee monitoring system is replica of ActiveTrack, and it's replica of Keylogger. Keylogger is a hacker name, but employee monitoring system is a good name. Even antivirus doesn't detect it. What exactly employee monitoring system is? Your boss, your director of the company can install software in your machine which you are using. The software name can be ActiveTrack or can be another software like TerraMind, and it's always fully undetectable. And if ActiveTrack has been installed in your machine, Whatsoever you are searching on the internet, whatsoever you are typing, everything is being recorded. In the case of active track, just want to convey you one thing. Every single screenshot, what you are doing at your machine will come. Just want to showcase you, if I remember my password, I will showcase it. If I don't remember the password, I will not waste our time. What I'm typing is being recorded. Remember this thing that I have to exit this one, yeah. Why? It's Keylogger and I don't want to hack myself. Fine. So right now I don't remember the password of the active track, but here you can see unlimited real-time screenshot, unlimited detection, USB detection, file transfer alarm. So basically what active track will do, this is employee monitoring system. If person who's working as a hacker install this type of software in your machine, then what can happen with you? Every single screenshot, what you are doing, right now we are only able to capture text, what is being typed, but there are other keylogger like Refog. Refog is even recording screenshots, even record video, but you are doing at your machine. On the other side, this topic is very beneficial if you want to monitor your kids, your younger brother, sister, but don't monitor your wife. Otherwise, your marriage will be in trouble. Fine enough. This topic is also over.
Hi, I'd like to introduce you to EH1 Infotech for Certification Course, Industrial Training, IT Services and Placement. We are already providing these excellent services since 2010. Our services range also includes ethical hacking and cybersecurity training, IT risk assessment and digital security services. If you're looking to join EH1 Infotech as for the quality training and placement, then you are taking the right decision. You can further read students' handwritten feedback and watch their video on our official website at eh1infotech.com. I'm sure you will choose us for the fantastic career by visiting us or by calling us at our official number +91 9780 265 007. Join EH1 Infotech right now.